Money comes to me in both expected and unexpected ways. Money comes to me in new and exciting ways. I am surprised every day by the ways money now comes to me. I find money wherever I go today. Money comes to me in miraculous ways. Money seems to be showing up in my life more and more. I have money to spare. I have more money with each new day. I make money in my sleep. I find new and fun ways to make money. My creativity is endless. My income is endless. I find many new ways to make money now. I now have multiple streams of income. New money-making ideas come to me now. I am open to new and exciting ways to make money. Money is abundant in my life. I am open to more money. I am open to more money showing up in my life. I am surprised and delighted by all the ways money now comes to me. I am now highly magnetic to money. I have fun making more and more money. I am open to new sources of income. I am open to all the ways money can come to me. I am open to new sources of revenue. I am having fun creating new streams of income. I am fulfilling my life's purpose. I am enjoying the freedom money allows me. I am enjoying making money now. I am enjoying my new and abundant life. Life is full of so many wonderful surprises. Life is full of so many exciting ways to make money.